What is TPM and secure boot for servers? When it comes to securing servers, it's not just about firewalls and passwords. Modern servers come with built-in hardware-based security features like TPM, Trusted Platform Module, and Secure Boot. These technologies help protect servers from malware, unauthorized access, and rootkits at a deeper level, starting from the moment the system powers on. But what exactly are TPM and Secure Boot, and why are they important for server security? Trusted Platform Module, TPM. TPM is a dedicated security chip embedded on the server's motherboard. It works as a hardware-based vault that stores sensitive information securely, such as encryption keys, passwords, digital certificates, system integrity measurements. TPM ensures that even if an attacker gains access to your server, they cannot easily retrieve or manipulate this sensitive data. One of the main functions of TPM is measured boot, checking the integrity of each component of the system during startup. If any unauthorized change or tampering is detected, like a modified bootloader or OS file, TPM can alert the system or prevent it from booting. TPM is also used in BitLocker, disk encryption, and other security applications to bind encryption keys to hardware, making it extremely difficult for attackers to steal or use those keys on another system. Secure Boot. Secure Boot is a feature of the server's firmware, usually UEFI, that ensures only trusted software is allowed to run during system startup. Here's how it works. When the server powers on, Secure Boot checks digital signatures of the bootloader and operating system files. If the signatures match a list of approved, trusted sources, the system boots normally. If anything has been tampered with or replaced by malware, Secure Boot blocks the process and stops the system from starting. This helps protect against rootkits and bootkits, which are types of malware that hide in the startup process and are difficult to detect or remove once the system is running. Why are TPM and Secure Boot important for servers? Servers handle critical data and applications, making them high-value targets for attackers. TPM and Secure Boot work together to provide hardware-level protection, which is much harder to bypass than software-based security measures alone. Benefits include preventing unauthorized changes to the system firmware and operating system, protecting encryption keys and sensitive credentials, detecting and stopping malware before the OS even loads, enabling secure remote attestation and identity verification in cloud environments. For enterprise environments, regulatory compliance standards like HIPAA, GDPR, and NIST often recommend or require these technologies for securing infrastructure. Conclusion: TPM and Secure Boot are powerful security tools built into modern servers that help prevent unauthorized access and protect system integrity from the ground up. Together, they create a secure foundation for operating systems and applications by ensuring that only trusted code is allowed to run. Whether you're managing a data center or a cloud server, enabling TPM and Secure Boot is a smart move toward building a more secure and resilient IT environment.